Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add alphabet page labeling in your PDF file using PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now click on this home option and here you will find this page thumbnail option. Click here. Now click this gear option and here you will find this page properties option. Click here and see this PDF file pages. There is no page labeling. This right side properties bar. Now we'll add alphabet page labeling. Click on this organize option. Here you will find this number pages option. Click here and this style option here showing none. Click on this arrow and this alphabet page labeling and this small letter page labeling. I'll add alphabet page labeling and also you can start you can add prefix and start number from 2, 3 or so on and select OK and see this alphabet page labeling now added. See this, all of these pages, see this, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.